Countess of Dreux, 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 Dreux. This article is of the Countesses of Dreux, the consorts of the French Counts of Dreux. Countess of Dreux, 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 Dreux. House of Dreux. House of Floors. House of Albret. House of Valois-Orleans. House of Albret. House of Valois, Valois. Nun. House of Bourbon-Soissons. House of Savoy-Carignan-Soissons. House of Orleans-Longueville. Nun. House of Bourbon-Vendôme. House of Bourbon-Condé. Nun. House of Palatinate-Cimmern. Nun. House of Bourbon-Condé. Nun. House of Bourbon-Maine. Nun. House of Bourbon-Penthièvre. House of Orleans. Sole surviving heiress of her father and of the properties of the House of Bourbon-du-Maine, Louise Marie Adelaide de Bourbon died 1821, added the Château and domain of Dreux to the possessions of the House of Orleans by her marriage with Philip Égalité. She was the mother of the future King Louis Philippe. The domain is now property of the Fondation St. Louis.